Okay, so what's the purpose of the bot? Can you explain a little bit about what you're trying to do here?
It's the ooh bot, and it changes every W into a U. That way everyone can sound fabulous when they talk.
All right.
Or
Can you? So we're on the Discord stuff folder, right?
yeah,
Why don't we make a new folder? Not a folder. Make a new file. Call it ideas.
idea.
Oh, do you know how to make a file from the command line?
No.
Okay. Uh, in there, type.
I'm not in the. I'm in the Discord file.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
So type for me. New.
Wait, isn't it mkidr?
Yeah, you try it. Try that one. It's better than the command I have. I think that makes a directory though.
Yes, that's a different thing.
Yeah, we don't want to make that.
No exit. God, how
Control
do I?
C. Control C.
Okay.
All right. New.
New.
Uh. Um. New flag item. All one word. And you want to pass in the name of the new file you want to make as a parameter for this command. So press Control C.
So it's not.
Press up once, and that's gonna pull up the latest command you typed. So press Enter now, and no, sorry, press space. So you're gonna exit out of that, up space, come up with a title, call it ideas.txt, something like that. Yep. Awesome. Now we have ideas on our working folder, working directory. So go to ideas.txt.
CD.
No, it's actually on your look. It's on your left.
Oh.
Yeah. So type what do we want the bot to do?
Okay.
And while we're thinking about that, go to your command line again, and can you type? I'm gonna send it to you on Discord actually. Just type that command. So what that's gonna do? So what do you think that command does? Just from reading.
It's gonna install Discord JavaScript library.
Yes. So npm is our package manager, right? We're telling it to get.
What's the save command for?
Will you save?
Yeah.
To save
it. Oh.
Yeah. Now, you're gonna be using this one a lot. Npm Install. And that's two separate ones, two separate words. Npm and then space install.
So what?
Well, okay, so when you run that command, it will look through your dependencies. I don't know why you don't have a package JSON. So, can you run that command, see what it does? Oh, that's true. We need to initialize npm first. Can you type npm init?
Space or no space?
Like that, with a space. Cool. So npm init is gonna make you start your package.json, right? And you can think of the package.json to be like the meta information for whatever application you're doing. So the package.json is going to have information about what dependencies you're using, what app, like what's the name, and what else do they have? They have important stuff, like what version everything needs to be for your application to run. So right now we're going to put just blank information because we're not going to publish this. just press enter a few times, or press enter. So version, description, we don't need to add one. So entry point, that's important. Entry point index.js. We don't have an index.js at the moment, so we're gonna have to make one later. And get repository, yeah, skip that. Enter. You can type your name if you want. Amazing. You don't have a license. Yes. Awesome. Now, can you delete package lock? We're gonna generate it again.
After cycle bin?
Yeah.
Why is it asking me to do that?
Now, go to package.json. There's gonna be some important things
I
there.
could just click on it.
Yeah. Open it in the editor. So you see our dependencies, right? The only dependency that we're using is discord.js.
File Explorer? How do I open it in the editor?
No, it's open. You can. That's the editor.
Oh.
Yeah. So you can type in there if you want. You could change your name, the author. You can change the license.
This is JavaScript?
That JSON stands for JavaScript something. Let me look it up for you. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. So what you're seeing there is like the way JavaScript handles information, like handling files, sending from one another. Yeah. Cool. Now, why don't we go to... Can you go to a browser? I'm gonna set the Discord there. Can you go to Discord developer? Yeah. So...
Wait, I have a Discord.
So I'm gonna pull this away for now. So I'm not streaming that part. So you log in. What we're gonna do is we're gonna create an application within Discord and then get the key. And then use the key to... Yeah.
Wrong email.
I don't know what you're... I can't help you with that.
What did I do wrong? So I'm gonna check my email for Discord.
Nice.
It's possible to do that, right?
Yeah, I hope.
Yeah, it is. I'm gonna change it later.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm logged in.
Awesome. Now make a new application.
What do I name?
Name. What? That's gonna be the name of the bot. Oh, the name of the application. So call it like bot or something.
It looks high.
Yes. Bot. Cool. Now you can add a picture if you want.
Ooh.
Okay, you
do I
that.
copy paste or save as?
This is, I mean, up to you. I don't know. You you do this.
I mean, if I can just...
Well, you need to download it first and then put it there. I'll let you do that. That's not allowed on my stream.
You don't want to see this? Yep, I'm done with it.
Cool. Save changes. So what we're doing here is creating like kind of a fake user. Go to bot on the side, and we're gonna activate this as a bot.
So add bot.
Yeah. Now at the bottom you're gonna see like a matrix kind of. That is used to calculate the permissions that a bot needs. So let's do send messages.
Is it arranged alphabetically or no?
Oh, in text permission. So send messages. Yeah, sure, that one too. Oh, can you open a new window and look for Discord permission calculator?
Someone joined the call?
I don't know. Well, if they do, then they're part of the stream now. Hello, how are you?
They left, I guess.
Oh.
What is this game?
Cool. So, click on read messages, send, use external emojis, send messages, attach files. Because you don't have admin to our Discord, and I want you to try it without, you know, waiting for... Because only Isa can make you admin. Priority, use void. Okay, and then read messages too.
Read?
The very top one. Read messages. Oh. Yeah. Now at the bottom, it's gonna ask you for the client ID. So go back to Discord developer portal.
The hell? The hell was that?
Is that SJ?
It's either SJ or Jack.
Yeah. Well, anyways, let me join your stream again.
Right.
Cool. Did you enable this as a bot? I think it is.
Wait, enable it as a what?
As a bot. I think it is. Okay, so go to general information again, and we're gonna get our client ID. Client ID. You see that one? Copy it and put it on the permissions calculator. Cool. Now click at the bottom. You see that link?
Yeah.
Yeah, click on it, and it's gonna ask you to add it somewhere. Add it to our Discord if you can.
Quarantine. What is our Discord? It's not letting me add it to our Discord.
Oh.
So we just add it to this Discord?
Do you have access to it?
Yeah, I'm admin in that Discord. It's only 4 people there.
Yeah.
You know, I can mess with them.
Sure. Add it to quarantine. Yes.
Authorized?
Yes. I'm not a bot.
Oh my god.
Cool. So it's authorized to be part of Discord now. So go to the server and it should appear there. Cool. But look on the side. It says that it's not online.
Yeah.
So we're gonna change that now. Go to Visual Studio Code.
Oh.
And make a new file, call it index.js. And you can use a terminal or whatever you want.
Call it what? Index.js?
Yes. Because that's the name we decided on when we were making the init file for npm.
Right. Yeah, how do you remember? Yes. Oh yeah.
Cool. Yeah, wait for it. Okay, I just sent you a file. I sent you index.js, and try to open it.
Keep.
It's not a virus, I promise. Yeah, so
Do I
just
run
open
it?
it. No, just open it with no, definitely don't run it. It's not gonna do anything. So cancel.
Cancel?
We just want to open it. Yeah, cancel.
Right.
Open it with Notepad. I just want you to copy it.
Nope. Where was it saved?
I don't know, wherever you have that set up.
Downloads, hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully. More apps. Notepad. Cool. Now copy all of that.
Yeah.
Paste it on your Visual Studio.
Index.js.
Yeah, and then go to the top, go to token. Can you delete that real quick? That's my token.
This one?
Just the
Oops.
token. You see that line number 2, const token?
Yeah.
So double click on the actual token and then delete that. Not okay, well. Yeah, good. Save it.
Save it.
Yeah. Well, delete the actual, like, the numbers, the token.
Mm. Is that what you meant?
No, the token, the string, the weird string.
Oh, this thing.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good.
There's more.
Save it. You can save it like that.
Yep.
Good. All right. Now, do you want to walk through the code, or do you want to get it started and then walk through the code?
Well, we could walk through the code and then get it started.
Okay. So at the top of the file, right? Index.js, we want to include Discord, the Discord library, right?
Yeah.
SJ was a bit confused about what require meant. You see line number 1, const
Yeah.
Discord equals require. This is very different from like JavaScript or no, this is different from Java or Python. So in Java, think about your scanner, right? Can you use scanner straight up in a vanilla Java application, or do you need to import it?
No, you do need to import it.
Yeah, so this is kind of like an import. So we're importing the Discord library onto our application, and we're putting all of that library under the Discord name. So const Discord, you can change that to anything you want, right? But for now, we're using Discord, and we're putting the whole library under that alias. And then your token is going to be the secret on the browser when you were setting up the bot. That's where your token is going to be, and we're using that to log in as the bot to, like, send messages on Discord. So go back to your Discord browser window.
Browser window?
On Chrome.
Oh.
Yeah. Go to bot. And we're gonna copy the token. Click on copy.
Where?
Copy. You see the...
Oh.
Yeah. Now we go back to Visual Studio. And you're gonna paste that instead of token. Not, I mean, you know, we're at the other side of the equals, in the right hand side. Yeah.
Instead of this?
Instead of the whole string, yes. But keep the quotations.
Yeah.
You put a dot before.
There's
that's gonna mess it up.
How do
I? Okay. Yeah, it doesn't look right. Can you delete the whole thing again? Because this is like a password, so you need to get it like 100% right. Delete everything, the whole thing.
Oh my. Come on. Doesn't delete everything.
Cool.
Yep.
We save it. And scroll down a bit. We're gonna start it really pretty soon. So scroll all the way to the bottom. You see that client.login?
Yeah.
That line is at the bottom, but it's the first line that runs well, not the first line that runs, but that line runs before all of the methods you just saw. Because those methods, if you scroll a little bit up to like line 30, line 24, right? Line 24 reads client.on message, right? So we're making a client, and we're making that client listen for messages. Like sit still, wait for a message, and when you get a message, right, then run this method. But it's not running when you start the bot. When you start the bot, it just gets your token and then logs in to Discord. So we're gonna do that now. On your terminal, can you type, well, save everything, save ideas, package JSON, and index, save everything.
I think idea saves by itself. Yeah, I just saved it. Yeah, saved it.
Cool. Go to your run npm install. npm's, no, not run, just npm install. It's implied to run the program. Good. Now node space dot, just a dot, period. All right, let's go to our Discord. We're gonna have to add a comment that says like bot successfully logs in, but we're gonna add that later. Go to the Discord window, and your bot should be online. Can you check? Yeah. Now, why don't you type some stuff? It works. UbuBot is alive.
Okay, now we just need to make it change everything I say.
Yeah, I'll show you. Well, so it just repeats what you say. That's all it does.
Yeah.
That's all the bot is doing now. Now we want to go back to our VS Code and then add the change everything to or whatever you want.
Yeah.
And all of that is handled inside of the client.on method.
And so the what?
Keep going up a little bit. I think it's on line 24. Yeah, line 24.
Oh.
That's like your main method, I guess. So when we get a message, we're doing these instructions. Line number 25 says if the message comes from a bot, don't do anything. Line 26 says if the message is coming from a DM channel, don't do anything. Line 28 is saying to when we get a message, we reply to that message with the same content. Now try adding like something to the empty string where you're hovering. Yeah. Just type some words. Cool. Now save it.
Yep.
Go back to your Discord and then type something. It should change. It should be different. Ah, it's not. Why not? Maybe we need to...
Did I not save it correctly?
Yeah, I think you... We'll save it and then try it again. And if not, then we're just gonna stop the... Yeah, so go back to VS Code. We're gonna stop the current process. So on the command, on the terminal, type Control-C. Cool, press enter a few times. Now arrow once, up, enter. Well, I'm doing it as if I was typing it. That's what I do. But go back to your window and see if that worked. Yes. So yeah, you need to do that little thing every time you save. I think there's
like no daemon. I can just remove this part, and it's just gonna reply with Ubu.
Yeah, just gonna say Ubu.
Oh, I see. Do I need to go Control-C every time I do it?
Yeah. Well, you don't need to put the enters. Let's just have it.
No.
Yeah.
Yay!
Yay!
It worked.
You can look at the Discord documentation to see what other methods are available to you. Like, for example, message.reply, that's only one thing that you can do with message. You can do many other things. You could also, like, add emotes and send pictures. And anything else. But yeah, Discord's up. This should be helpful for June as well. I hope she can follow. How long have we been?
I think it's like 30 minutes or something.
30? Let me check.
30.
Yeah, so it wasn't that bad, right?
Yeah.
It's alright.
No, just need to make a code and then import it.
Make it what?
A code that changes the W into U. And then import it here. Wait instead of the
Okay, and Yousef, this is when you can use your big brain capacity, right? You've been doing Java all this time, right?
Yeah, but I don't
So
know how
you
to
have-
import.
You have all these Java tools. Just make a Java program, right?
Yeah.
That takes in a user's message and then returns whatever message you want to return. And then this JavaScript application is only, I guess, querying your not querying. It's only running that Java application for each message. So if you're really good at Java and you're not good at JavaScript, do most of the work in Java. And JavaScript is just the interface to send the messages.
See.
Yeah, just play to your strengths. Because eventually you need to learn JavaScript, but for the moment you can do it all on, or you can do most of it on Java.
How do I make the bot go offline?
On your command, on your terminal window, press Control C, and Control C stops any ongoing processes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So go to your Discord window, and then message again. You shouldn't see a response. Even though the bot appears to be online, it's not actually listening. Try it.
Message?
Yeah, just message anything. Yeah, so in a bit you're gonna see the bot update and go offline, but it's officially offline now. Like, you can't talk to it.
See.
Yeah,
So it's only online when I turn.
it's only online where you do node dot. And again, node dot, all that it's doing is just running your index.js file. If you want to add more files later, that's going to be on your package.json. You can have the package.json point to other files to start. Yeah.
It's pretty neat.
Yeah, it's cool stuff. I don't see why we shouldn't be able to make like a chess bot. Oh, do you know, this would be fun. There's like, have you ever played Minesweeper on Discord?
I played Minesweeper but never won.
There's like a, here. I think so go to the natural selection Discord and go to Discord Comedy Bot. Yeah, that's Minesweeper.
Oh. Does it change on your screen too, or is it my
No,
screen?
just on your screen.
I'm winning.
You're gonna die soon. Oh, 2. That's really close.
Wait, did I lose?
No, you didn't hit a bomb yet. You're gonna have to do the zeros manually, but... See, what's crazy, Yousef, is that is just text. And the little boxes, those are just the spoiler tags.
I'm too good. I can't.
You died. Yeah. But yeah, you could make your bot like return a chess board that just has the positions of your little chess pieces already saved. That'd be pretty cool.
I'm still gonna work on the OO, and then I don't know how I'm gonna import it. Do you know how to import?
Import what?
from Java to like switching the W into a U.
Well, Yousef, you're a computer scientist, right? Surely you must know how to do that. There's so many ways to do that. You could go through the string, and if you see a character that should be a different character, you can split the string, insert the character, split it back in, or just treat it like an array from the very beginning. So say something like message dot content, or say like character array message equals message dot message dot content dot split add, and then empty, so it splits it at every character, and you just treat it like an array. You go through the array. If you find a letter that should be uppercase or should be changed to U or W, then you change it for that specific index, and then at the very end you grab the string from the array and print it.
I mean, like, how do you like import it to like the Discord bot? Like this guy. It used to be message.content or message.reply.
Well, go to the yeah.
I removed it, and then when I make the code in Java or whatever,
Yeah.
how do I move it over here?
Oh, okay. Let's see. What does this do? Here, you can do something like this. Honestly, Python would be easier. Because Python, you can just say like py command or py and then run that. Or Yousef, this is how I did it last summer, right? In JavaScript, right? You can save the user messages into a text file, right? And then you have a JavaScript application running on the a Java application running in the background, opening that file, looking at the responses, and then making the response you should send, and then save it on the same file. So they don't necessarily talk to each other, but they share the same resources, the same response text.
I'm not gonna sleep tonight. I'm gonna try to do this all night.
Well, I mean, you don't have to do it today. This is like...
I know, but like, if not today, then chances are I'm gonna leave it for later, and then I'm gonna have more stuff to do, and I'm never gonna be done with it. So I'm gonna try.
You'll have more time in the summer, I think. But yeah, me, SJ, Jack, and Kelvin, we're all like learning this kind of stuff. So yeah, it's a good time. We'll get more members in here too.
I'm gonna start the class every Wednesday at 6.
Yeah.
Start the class, and then we go all night long until 12, or what? Why does it say Dirty Spy on your name?
When do I what?
Ian, Dirty Spy.
Ian, the Dirty Spy? That's from the Philosophy Discord.
Oh.
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. Oh, let me message June.
Why are you a spy? Why am I seeing your AKA?
Why am I a spy? Because I'm not from the Philosophy Club.
Neither am I. They haven't figured me out yet.
Yeah, you're a better spy than I am.
What are you, 006?
Okay, I think that's good. Good work, guys. Good stream. Anyways, this has been Yousef, Rising Computer Science Star at Nova. It's not done yet.
Right. Yeah. Your channel's gonna be so big one day, you're gonna forget all about us.
What? I hope not.
Channel's gonna be. Yeah, you don't hope your channel becomes big.
Not too big. I mean, I'm just doing this for fun, honestly.
I know you're doing it for fun.
Yeah.
Like, come on. Like, once being demonetized matters, it's gonna suck. So,
Yeah.
is that your